Airport officials say 25% of flights were canceled Tuesday compared to 95% on Monday. There have been many delays as airport officials say that operations are still getting back on schedule. For Anthony Cristobal, he's saying goodbye to his family for a second time before he travels to Camp Lejeune in North Carolina for Marine Corps training.
I was supposed to take off yesterday, what I heard. So that's why they pushed me back yesterday, and they gave me a little bit of leniency, which is, kind of them to do. And it calms me down a little bit to see, they're at least taking care of, their future Marines.
He says he just wants to make it out of Connecticut before another round of snow.
The storm cleared out pretty fast, and I heard it's going to snow even more tomorrow, which is, good thing I'm going now instead of later.
The TSA line that was non-existent Monday filed back in on Tuesday, and airline ticket counters stayed busy. Boucher suggests everyone allow for extra time at the airport, just so there aren't any other travel hiccups.
I usually get here with an hour to spare, but today I'm here 2 hours to spare, so I would just add extra time.
And delays may continue into Wednesday, so airport staff say be sure to check your airline's app for the most up-to-date information.